Guys, did you know that dogs can, smell your feelings?
Wait, what? Smell feelings? No way.
Yes way. It is true, Lucas. If you are sad, they know it.
That is crazy. Oh, welcome to English Pod Center. I am Lucas.
And I am Luna. Today we are talking about pets.
Pets. I love pets. I have a dog. Well, my mom has a dog.
Right. But here is the problem, Lucas.
Uh-oh. What is the problem?
When people learn English, they only say, "My dog is cute."
Yeah, true. Cute dog, good cat.
Exactly. It is boring. We need better words to talk about our animals.
Okay, but keep it simple, Luna. I am a beginner.
I will. So let's learn how to describe pets, not just cute.
Okay, I am ready. Teach me.
First, let's talk about fur.
Fur, like hair?
Yes, animals have fur. F-U-R, like a coat.
Oh, okay. So I can say, my dog has short fur.
Perfect. Short fur, long fur, fluffy fur.
Fluffy, I like that word. Fluffy, like a cloud.
Yes. Think of a cat. A big, fat, fluffy cat.
Like a pillow. A very angry pillow.
Exactly. So size and fur. That is step 1.
What is step 2?
Personality. How they act.
How they act. Like happy?
Sure, happy. But let's use better simple words, like playful.
Playful, like they want to play a lot?
Yes. Or lazy. You know lazy, right?
Oh yeah, I am lazy on Sundays.
We all are. Cats are very lazy. They sleep all day.
Wait, really? All day?
Cats sleep for like 15 hours a day.
15? Wow, I want to be a cat.
Right? So let's try it, Lucas. Describe a pet.
Okay, I have a dog.
Good. What does he look like?
He is big. He has black fur, very short fur.
Awesome. And his personality? Is he lazy?
No, he is very playful. He runs everywhere.
See? That is much better than just saying cute.
Wow, yeah, it paints a picture.
A very good picture. Now, let's talk about sounds.
Sounds? Like animal noises?
Yes, because pets don't speak English.
True. My dog speaks barking.
Exactly. Dogs bark. B-A-R-K.
They bark loud.
Very loud. And what do cats do?
They go meow.
Yes, they meow. But when they are happy...
Oh, I know. They make that little engine noise, like burr.
Yes, the engine noise. That is called a purr.
Purr. P-U-R-R.
You got it. Cats purr when you pet them.
Okay, so dogs bark, cats meow, and purr.
Right. And what about a bird?
A bird, sings?
Yes, birds sing, or they chirp. C-H-I-R-P.
Chirp. I like that. It sounds small.
Yeah, it is small. Like a little beep, beep.
Wait, do people keep birds, like, in the house?
Oh, yes. Many people have pet birds. Parrots, for example.
Parrots, the big, colorful ones.
Right. And what is special about parrots?
They are loud?
Yes, but also they talk.
Oh, right. They say your name, like, hello, Lucas.
Exactly. They copy our words.
That is so cool, but also kind of scary.
A little scary, yes.
Yeah, so we have dogs, cats, birds. What else?
Well, we need to talk about fish.
Fish. I had a fish, a little goldfish.
Oh, nice. What did your fish do?
Nothing. It just swam.
Swam. That is the past tense of swim. Very good.
Yeah, he swam in circles every single day. It was, well, very boring.
Boring, but fish are very relaxing.
Relaxing? How?
It is like looking at a nice picture, a picture that moves slowly.
Ah, I get it. A living picture.
Exactly. And fish are easy pets.
Wait, really? Are they easy?
Well, mostly. I mean, you do not walk a fish.
Walk a fish. Imagine that.
You just feed them and clean the water.
Clean the water. Yeah, my fish died because I forgot.
Oh no, Lucas.
I know. I was very young.
It is a common problem. People think fish need zero work.
Yeah, you still have to do things.
Right. Pets take work. All pets.
So, which pet is the hardest?
Good question. Probably a dog.
Really? Not a big bird or something?
Well, dogs need a lot of time.
Because you walk them?
Yes, you walk them and you train them.
Train. That means teach them rules, right?
Yes, like telling them to sit or stay.
Sit. Stay. Good boy.
You are a good dog, Lucas.
Woof. But seriously, teaching takes time.
A lot of time. If you do not train a dog,
What happens? They eat your shoes?
yes, they eat your shoes, they jump on people.
Oh, I hate that when a big dog jumps on me.
Right, so you must be a good boss.
A good boss, a leader.
Yes, for cats, it is different.
How? Cats do not have a boss.
Exactly. The cat is the boss.
That is true. The cat looks at you like, give me food, human.
Yes, cats train you.
Whoa, my mind is blown. We do not train cats.
They train us.
That is so true, Luna. So true.
So let's practice real quick. If I want a quiet pet,
You get a fish or a rock, a pet rock,
a pet rock is very quiet.
the most quiet.
But if I want a pet that goes running with me?
Oh, a dog, a big dog.
Yes, exactly, Lucas. A dog.
Wait, not a small dog?
Some small dogs run fast, but
Like a chihuahua? They have like tiny legs.
yes, tiny legs. They get tired.
So a big dog for running. Got it.
Right. And what if I live in a very small apartment?
A very small apartment.
Think about it. Small place.
A horse. No, I am joking.
A horse in an apartment? No.
A cat. A cat is good.
Yes, a cat. Or a bird?
Oh, birds are loud, Luna. They sing all day.
That is true. Some birds are very loud.
I caught a bird once. It never stopped.
Really?
Yeah, tweet, tweet, tweet. All night.
Oh, no. So maybe not a bird for you.
No bird for Lucas. Never again.
Okay, so we learned a lot today.
Yeah, dogs need time. Cats are the boss.
And pets cost money. Do not forget the money.
The doctor is expensive. Food is expensive.
Yes, very expensive.
It is like having a fuzzy baby,
A fuzzy baby. I like that.
right? A baby with a lot of hair.
So here is a question for everyone listening.
Oh, yes. Listeners, pay attention.
What pet is best for you?
Tell us.
Do you want a dog, a cat, or?
A pet rock.
Yes, or a pet rock?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
Yes, write to us. We read everything.
Luna, what pet are you going to get?
Me? I think a cat.
A cat. You want a boss.
Yes, I want a fuzzy boss.
You are crazy. I want a dog.
A big dog to run with?
Yes, to run in the park.
That sounds very fun, Lucas.
We can have a pet party. My dog and your cat.
Oh, no. My cat will hate your dog.
True. The boss will be angry.
Exactly.
Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, we did. Thank you for listening, everyone.
You are the best.
Please follow us and subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to English Pod Center right now.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys. Pet your dog for me.